Saying goodbye doesn't mean farewell forever. It's time we spend together that matters, not how we left it. Let's put our hand together to welcome our guests. From that education itself. Good morning, everyone. Respected Father Joey Joseph, dear sisters, today's guest of honor, Nirja Ma'am, Joseph Sir, Meenakshi Ma'am, and to you. With a deep sense of reverence, we have congregated here to give adieu to our inspiring, motivational, exceptional, highly valued teachers. On this occasion, I request Uma Ma'am to welcome our guest of honor, Nirja Ma'am, with a bouquet. I request Wilson Sir to welcome our guest, Joseph Sir, with a bouquet. Meenakshi Ma'am with a bouquet. When you kneel to God, He stands up for you. With this strong belief, I call upon Jeevanlata Ma'am and group to lead us into prayer. is very hard, but it is harder when it is about an inspiring teacher who has rendered her service for 37 years in this esteemed institution. I invite Asha ma'am on the stage to share her experience working with Neerja ma'am. Welcome Asha ma'am.
Reverend Father Joby Joseph, most respected Neerja ma'am, Joseph sir, Meenakshi ma'am, and dear colleagues. As I am here to speak for Neerja ma'am, I shall begin with a few lines penned in Hindi. आपकी सेवाओं का हमें है गर्व, आपकी सेवाओं का हमें है गर्व, आपकी मेहनत और समर्पण सदा रहेगा स्मरण। आपके साथ बिताए एक एक पल अनमोल, आपके साथ बिताए एक एक पल अनमोल, आपके जाने का दर्द है दिल के करीब। आपकी मधुर वाणी और मुस्कुराहट न भूल पाएंगे हम, आपकी मधुर वाणी और मुस्कुराहट न भूल पाएंगे हम, आपकी संगीन और नेक आदतें रहेंगी सदा याद। आपके साथ गुजरे लम्हे सदा दिल में कायम, आपके साथ गुजरे लम्हे सदा दिल में कायम, साथी होना आपका रहा हमारा भाग्य, साथी होना आपका रहा हमारा भाग्य। Neerja ma'am joined DePaul in the year 1984, the year the school was established. From very humble beginning of the school, with lots of hurdles, resistances, hardships, meager resources, she has successfully completed 37 long years of service at DePaul. She is the only one person among all of us who witnessed all ups and downs in the journey of DePaul till now. I would like to share an experience of 35 years back the memory lane. The year 1990, the school witnessed a turbulence phase where a section of people within the township demanded the closure of this school. Every other day, we witnessed some or the other issues cropping up. I remember it was Neerja ma'am who stood like a pillar along with other staff to save the school from the crisis. She used to represent DePaul at various meetings held at NTPC GM's office, where she was also given offers for better job opportunities there, which she humbly declined and decided to be with DePaul. After a struggle of about 1.5 years, the school successfully came out of all the issues, and that was the beginning of a comparatively smooth phase for the school. Many of the present staff are fortunate enough to have stepped to the portals of DePaul when it is at the golden phase of its journey. On this day, I acknowledge her contributions for the school throughout her journey of 37 years. I personally had a very sweet bonding with her. I recall the moments, again 35 years back, when I first stepped to the premises of DePaul. She was the first person to greet me with a sweet, wide smile the smile I get from her till date. As far as her personality is concerned, a very mature, helpful, understanding, calm and composed person with a motherly affection towards all students and sisterly concern with the staff. An excellent teacher, I should say, a true guru, who not only had an extreme command over her subject, but also touched the life of her students through values, character building, and emotional growth. Standing here on this farewell day, I would also like to say a few words for our respected teachers Joseph sir and Meenakshi ma'am. Joseph sir, a gentleman in all aspects, a person with immense knowledge, not only of his subject, but also all current affairs related to politics or geography or life or in fact any field. Teachers used to approach him with certain doubts and also discuss various current issues with him. Sir, it was a privilege to work with you. When I talk about Meenakshi ma'am, a very sincere, hardworking and committed person. Every time you could see her concentrating deep in any work given to her. She always showcased her perfection, whether it was a teaching, copy correction, or any other duty that was assigned to her. Her work reflected her dedication. Not to mention her beautiful smile and friendly nature. Ma'am, we'll miss you. Dear Neeja ma'am, Joseph sir, Meenakshi ma'am, and also James sir, hearty congratulations for having completed your tenure of long service at DePaul. On this special day of your retirement, we want to take this moment to commemorate your dedication and hard work. Through all challenges and hurdles, you all stood tall, and your commitment to excellence has been an inspiration to all. Your work ethics and determination has been unmatched. As you embark on this new chapter of life, we wish you all endless joy, peace, and fulfillment. Wish you all the best for all the good things to come, and hope you enjoy every moment of your next phase of your life. You all deserve to have a happy, healthy, and amazing retirement. Once again, best wishes to all of you, dear sir and ma'am, from the entire DePaul family. Thank you.
I request Asha ma'am to present a card as a token of our love to Neerja ma'am. Dear Joseph sir, it's me who is also inspired by your highly caliber qualities of being dedicated, energetic, modest, generous, sincere, punctual, and many more, which is really indefinable. I request Prince sir to kindly come and share his working experience with Joseph sir. Welcome, Prince.
Respected Principal Father Jyoti Joseph, Neerja ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, Joseph sir, Reverend sisters, and all my colleagues. There is a saying, people and time teach us a lesson. This quote is not by me, it's by our beloved Joseph sir. I had a working experience with Joseph sir from 2015 onwards. But after coming over here, I came to know more about him because sir's nephews were my college mates and some of my classmates too had gone to Joseph sir's house. Joseph sir hails from a small village named Tirupadi. After his studies, he started his teaching in the Parallel College. Some of our young teachers may not know what Parallel colleges are. In the past, it was not possible for all the educated students to go to higher classes, higher education. In those days, we had to depend upon parallel studies. Joseph sir taught in colleges for near about 7 years. After that, he completed his BA and went to Andhra Pradesh for teaching. Joseph sir joined Newport School in 1998. He taught here for about 9 years, and due to a few personal reasons, he had to discontinue in 2007. Thereafter, he went to Kharagpur, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab. After 5 years of his teaching in other places, he came back to Newport School in 2012. As many of our teachers have rightly noted down, Joseph sir is truly gentle. I remember a story. There was a man who would always say good things about everything. One day, his friends decided to get some negative comment from his mouth. Deciding that, they took him next to a dustbin where they found the carcass of a dead dog. It was actually stinking badly. When his friends commented about the stinking dog, the man said smilingly, "Look at the teeth of the dog. How beautiful are these?" I had often felt that our Joseph sir is such a man. Whatever be in your mind, you approach him. He will never discourage you. He will try to understand and will motivate you. If he does not have anything to say, he will just make only an assurance through comments and okay, just like that. We all know about Joseph sir in our school, very collaborative, cooperative, loving, gentle, and whenever there is a need, Joseph sir is ready to help. People speak about walking encyclopedias, but my experience with him, it was like this. I felt that he's a university. More than that, Joseph sir is a very natural man. So I thought I should write down something about Joseph sir to speak about him. Then I dropped the idea and felt that since he's very natural, it's better I speak very naturally. He has been a very good elder brother to me. He was also fatherly. There were times he helped me out. One day I went with Joseph sir to meet the requirements at the RTO office. It was for getting a license. The people thought that Joseph sir was my father. I just winked my eyes at him. Sir also smiled. That time onwards, whenever I got a chance, I used to make comment about that. And we called it like Chacha, fatherly figure. So Joseph sir was such a nice man. Of course he is. He is also a very good farmer. We used to get tips about farming from him. He knew very well about the topography, the weather conditions, and he used to get a lot of tips from him. And I am sure it was Wilson sir who brought him back once again to Vindhyanagar. For about 21 years, Joseph sir has been with us. That's a very wonderful time in Joseph sir's life. And he's not going to be sad at all. He's going to be very happy. Of course, he has got other plans after this so-called retirement life. I found him to be a very good father of his children and maybe a very good husband. And he's a very good friend. And in the church too, I found Joseph sir was very helpful. He's very punctual, reaching in time. If there is a possibility, Joseph sir walks. These days we find Joseph sir walking in the township. Sometimes we can find a street dog walking next to him. That's an indication of his love towards other fellow creatures. He used to take care of not only the stray dogs, sometimes he used to feed the squirrels, parrots, and whatnot. So I was about to say that Joseph sir was truly a very good man to all of us. And I believe the place is coming from Pulverampara, and the people there need him there. They are all waiting for him. He will soon start his simple works in his field, farming, cultivation, etc. Of course, it's my request to Joseph sir to kindly render a valuable experience with other children too, though they may not understand the value of the notes which you prepare day to day and update it. Once again, I thank Joseph sir for everything you have done to Depot School. We will miss a great photographer. We will also miss our Neerja ma'am. I have also great experience with her, a very loving, motherly teacher. Meenakshi ma'am too. I will always remember Meenakshi ma'am's smile. It's very famous. And once again, I wish all the best for all the teachers, especially for Joseph sir, for whom I am talking. An advance happy birthday wishes to Joseph sir. He is going to have his birthday on 7th May. I wish you all to clap for him. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request Prince sir to present a card of appreciation to Joseph sir. Thank you, sir. A big thank you. Patience and tenderness. Just like nurturing parents who take care of the child from homework to detention, from advice to inspiration, everything you have given to the students. For the same, I invite Rita ma'am to share her experience of years with Meenakshi ma'am.
जिंदगी का हर पल बन जाता है यादगार। जिंदगी का हर पल बन जाता है यादगार, क्योंकि जिंदगी है एक सुहाना सफर। सुख दुख की है ये लंबी सी डगर। आपसे बिछुड़ने का है ये असर कि हर एक की आंखों में है नमी की लहर। विद्यालय के सर्वश्रेष्ठ पद पर आसीन प्रधानाचार्य महोदय फादर जॉबी जोसेफ, सभी सिस्टर, शिक्षक, शिक्षिकाएं एवं कार्यालय के सभी गणमान्य सदस्यों को मेरा नमन। जैसा कि आप सभी को विदित है कि आज हम सब यहाँ पे नीरजा मैडम, मीनाक्षी मैडम, जोसेफ सर एवं जेम्स सर के सेवानिवृत्ति के उपलक्ष्य में एकत्रित हुए हैं। आज मेरा ये सौभाग्य है कि मुझे इन आत्मीय परिजन जैसे सदस्यों के बारे में कुछ कहने का अवसर मिला है। संसार में कुछ ऐसे आत्मीय और प्रभावशाली व्यक्तित्व होते हैं जो मानो ईश्वरीय वरदान हो। ये ऐसे सांचे में तराशे जाते हैं जिनकी उपस्थिति ही इनकी खूबियों की गाथा बन जाती है। इनमें से एक है मीनाक्षी मैडम। 29 33 वर्षों का हमारा साथ रहा है। जी हाँ, इसी शब्द से शुरू होने वाला इनका वक्तव्य मानो श्रोता का ध्यान बरबसी अपनी ओर आकर्षित कर लेता है। अपने चेहरे पर हमेशा मधुर सी मुस्कान लिए हुए अपने कर्तव्यों के प्रति निष्ठा, लगन एवं समर्पण की भावना को लेकर छात्रों के प्रति अपनत्व और ममतामयी भावनाओं के साथ अपने आप को समर्पित करने वाली मीनाक्षी मैडम को शत शत नमन। सौम्यता, बोली में माधुर्य, कार्य के प्रति सदैव जागरूक रहने वाली मीनाक्षी मैडम के लिए शायद मेरे पास शब्दों का शब्दकोश कम पड़ जाए। इनका एक शब्द हमेशा मुझे याद रहेगा। जैसे मैंने इनसे कुछ भी पूछा तो इनकी प्यारी सी बोली में ये बोलती है, मैंने जस्ट सुना है, बस जस्ट ऐसे ही, जस्ट मैंने सुना है, बस जस्ट ऐसे ही। ये शब्द मेरे दिल में ऐसे घर कर गए हैं कि शायद ये कभी निकल पाए। इतना ही नहीं, जब हम बच्चों के बारे में बातचीत करते हैं तो हमेशा बोलते हैं, पढ़ते ही नहीं हैं, क्या करें, पढ़ते ही नहीं हैं, इनको पढ़ना नहीं है, हम क्या करें, बताइए तो भला। ये हमेशा अविस्मरणीय रहेगा। दूसरा ईश्वरीय प्रदत्त वरदान है ऐसा व्यक्तित्व नीरजा मैडम का जो कभी नहीं भूल सकते। नीरजा मैडम का अपने कर्तव्यों के प्रति निष्ठा, लगन एवं जागरूकता कोई इनसे सीखे। चाहे कोई भी परिस्थिति हो, कितनी भी कठिन परिस्थिति क्यों न हो, पर इनके मुंह से हमेशा निकलता है, बस जरा सी देर में हो जाएगा, बस जरा सी देर में हो जाएगा। ये तो मानो निराश व्यक्ति के मन में भी आशा का संचार कर देता है। अपने मुखमंडल पर प्यारी सी मुस्कान और आपके ये शब्द नीरजा मैडम हम कभी नहीं भुला पाएंगे। तीसरे अद्भुत व्यक्तित्व के परिचायक है जोसेफ सर, जिनकी साधारण वेशभूषा और अनोखे अंदाज को हम नमन करते हैं। अपने सौम्य व्यवहार के धनी होने के साथ साथ छात्रों में भी बहुत प्रिय हैं। इनके द्वारा पढ़ाए हुए बच्चे इनकी लोकप्रियता के सूचक हैं, सबूत हैं। और चौथे अद्भुत व्यक्तित्व के धनी है जेम्स सर। भले ही वे नहीं हैं, फिर भी अद्वितीय प्रशंसा के पात्र हैं, जिनको हम कभी नहीं भुला सकते। जिनके कार्य करने की अद्भुत गति, कार्य के प्रति निष्ठा, लगन और जागरूकता देखकर हर कोई विस्मित हो जाता है। हमेशा इसका फॉर्म में एक पेपर लेकर के आना और हम लोगों को भी जागरूक कर देना कि काम के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, मैं पेपर लेकर के आया हूँ। ये देख करके हम उनकी क्रियाकलाप कभी भी नहीं भूल पाएंगे। कार्यक्रम की रूपरेखा समय से पहले ही तैयार हो जाती थी जेम्स सर के यहाँ पर रहने से। अंत में अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हुए, याद आएगा ये गुजरा हुआ जमाना, याद आएगा ये गुजरा हुआ जमाना, आबाद रहे हमेशा आप और आपका आशियाना। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ डिपॉल परिवार की ओर से आपके अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करते हुए आप सभी को ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. Good luck for future endeavor, teacher. teachers. I request Jeevanlata ma'am and group for a group song. Guide us and impact us in our lives. May I now call upon Sudeep ma'am to speak few words for James sir, though he is not present, but working with him was wonderful.
Respected Principal, Reverend Father John Yusuf, respected sisters, dear teachers, and most respected Neerja ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, Joseph sir, and hopefully I would have seen Joseph sir in that chair, but it's okay. I would like to say farewells are for the people who move ahead and say goodbye. But you all will always be in our memories and we never want to say goodbye to you all. Speaking about James sir, I know him since my childhood when I was a student, and we rarely meet him during some special occasions like our birthdays, or we used to go for getting ties, diaries, etc. to his office. That time we never noticed his sincerity, his great work. Maybe because we were students, we always noticed the teachers who taught us, the teaching staff. But after some years, when I joined DePaul as a teacher, he was always there to support me, like my father. Whenever we did mistakes, he scolded. Many a times we almost have got scoldings from him, but that was for our betterment. Every time he scolded for something, we did it perfectly next time. And today I would like to thank him for completing his successful tenure and attaining the retirement. I congratulate all of you, dear teachers, all three of you also, for attaining your retirement successfully. I hope you all be happy in your lives and stay healthy forever. Thank you, dear teachers, for rendering your services in DePaul. Thank you so much.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. As you are ready to start a brand new journey of your life, may I now request our principal to bless our teachers with inspirational words.
Most respected Neerja Madam, Meenakshi Madam, Joseph Sir, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers. Good afternoon to all of you. The simple success formula for any educational institution is efficient, sincere, hardworking, committed teachers, plus enthusiastic students, plus a management who supports them. DePaul has been blessed with such a beautiful success formula from its very inception. Moreover, this success story is not written overnight. It's a story of struggle, sacrifice, hard work, commitment, passion, dedication, excellence, and efficiency. When I say sacrifice, I mean it. For if a lady loses her 3-year-old child, still she commits herself to impart knowledge, wisdom, and to ignite the young minds. Her name is Neerja Pandey, and she has been doing it for the past 37 years. I love to call it as a great sacrifice. She has sacrificed her all feelings, the grief that she had undergone for the betterment of this school, and she stood firm in all the moments of the struggles, difficulties. Also, she has witnessed the success story of DePaul School. Dear Neerja Madam, we are proud of you. We are indebted to you for having you as part of this school. And she had many offers from different schools. As Asha Madam narrated, she declined all those offerings and believed in DePaul School, and we thank you sincerely. School also has a beautiful story of struggle undergone by a lady named Meenakshi Ruben, who hailed from Lucknow. In her younger age, came to Vindhyanagar, a remote area of Madhya Pradesh. Still, she found joy and happiness in the initial stages of the school where she had to struggle to live here. But later today, I know she's very happy in her heart seeing Deepal School flourishing and Deepal School being one of the most sought after education institution in this district. Dear Meenakshi ma'am, we are grateful to you for being part of Deepal School for so many years. Your sweet smile, and actually I wanted to tell even during the farewell ceremony with the students too, your sweet voice and the clarity in the pronunciation attracts everyone. And we were so lucky, people have been so lucky, the students who learned from you were so lucky to have a great teacher like you. Thank you for being part of Deepal School for the past 26 years. And Joseph sir, you have traveled down from South. Maybe there were struggles adapting to the climatic conditions of North India, and even you had a small break. Still, we were lucky actually. The students were very lucky to have you back, and a sincere, humble, down-to-earth human being part of Deepal School. I have a very short span of time spent with you. Still, I hold you close to my heart because of your simplicity, the sincerity that you showcase. Also, the depth in your knowledge, the way you teach, the way you update yourselves, also update your class notes and everything. So, we are proud of you. People has been ever proud of you for having such a great teacher as Joseph sir. So thank you very much for being part of Deepal School for the past 21 years. And your dedication has been, all three of you, has been great. Also, though we do not have James sir amidst us, 26 years of service to Deepal School. His meticulous way of doing things, and if the exams and the programs in Deepal has been on time, it is because of one man who was punctual, who was dedicated, who was hardworking, and teachers know you are so strict that he will not excuse you for being late to submit the answer copies or the question answers or anything for that matter. It is, and this is the reason why Deepal is successful. The contribution from his side has been great. We greatly acknowledge James sir's presence, his hard work, his dedication, his commitment to Deepal School. Thank you, James sir. Thank you, dear all, the teachers, for believing in Deepal, for guiding through your examples, for inspiring with your passion, for leaving an incredible mark on the future, for touching the person with your souls and making a difference. Thank you from Deepal family.
I invite Joseph sir to the stage, and I request Father to present the memento and the token of love to Joseph sir. I invite Meenakshi ma'am to the stage, and I request Father to present memento and a token of love
बिना अपनों से। मजबूरी की बात ही कुछ और है। प्रभु का शुक्रिया नौकरी में लाने के लिए, दोस्तों का शुक्रिया इसे आसान बनाने के लिए। कर्जदार रहेंगे हम जन्मों तक। आपका शुक्रिया मुश्किलों में साथ निभाने के लिए। पद प्रतिष्ठा के धनी व्यक्तित्व वाले माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय फादर जोगी जोसेफ, आदरणीय सिस्टर्स, ज्ञानी गुणी विद्वत, समस्त शिक्षकगण, हमारा ऑफिस स्टाफ एवं समस्त विद्यालय के कर्मचारी, आप सभी ने आज मेरी जिंदगी के एक नए पड़ाव में जाने के लिए यह अंतिम रिटायरमेंट विदाई दी है। इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। विद्यालय मेरे लिए एक घर परिवार जैसा रहा है। इसमें मैंने अनेक सुख दुख के समय बिताए हैं और आज ये मेरी तीसरी रिटायरमेंट फेयरवेल हो रही है। पहली थी अनऑफिशियल 28 टीचर्स के साथ और दूसरी हमारे फादर ने एक इतना अच्छा मौका दिया जिसके लिए हमने सोचा भी नहीं था। हमारे बच्चों के साथ में मेल विदाई हुई और ये तीसरा मौका मिला मुझे आज हमारे टीचर्स के साथ विद्यालय के परिसर में अंतिम बार एक साथ मिलने का। इस लंबी यात्रा के दौरान जाने अनजाने कई बार किसी का मन दुखा हो तो उसके लिए मैं क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ, आप सबसे क्षमा मांगती हूँ। वैसे इसके बाद भी अभी हम लोग विद्यानगर में ही रहेंगे, MIT में। आप सभी मेरे नए घर में मिलने के लिए आइएगा। फ़ोन नंबर वही रहेगा, जब मिलना हो तब कॉल कर लीजिएगा और ज़रूर आइएगा। आज कोई शब्द तो ज़्यादा समझ में आ नहीं रहे हैं, बस मन थोड़ा भावुक हो रहा है, प्यार हो जाती है। इसको हम एक और बात है, आज का दिन मेरे लिए कुछ और भी खास है। आज के ही दिन एक घरेलू बात भी बताती हूँ। मैं नीरजा से मिसेस नीरजा पांडे बनी थी। आज मेरी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी भी है, 3rd में। तो मेरे वो भी जीवन के 40 वर्ष 40 इयर्स कंप्लीट हुए और आज आप लोग हम लोगों की ये साड़ी देख रहे हैं। ये हमें स्कूल की कुछ स्टाफ की तरफ से जिसे हम लोगों ने सोचा कि आज के दिन इसे जरूर तैयार करवा करके पहने ताकि हमारे सभी लोग देखें और बताएं कैसा है आपका गिफ्ट। थैंक यू सो मच। अब हम लोग सोच रहे हैं एक छोटा सा, एक बार हम लोग कर चुके हैं पर सबने नहीं देखा था, है ना? वो एक भूल भी गए। अभी अचानक ही देख कर लगा कि ये हम लोग अपने कुछ गानों पे आपका धन्यवाद व्यक्त कर सकें। तो थैंक यू सो मच।
रिटायरमेंट, एक नई जिंदगी। जी हाँ, आज मैं रिटायर हो रही हूँ। पहले से ही फिर कुछ घबराई, पर अब चल पड़ी एक नई राह में। परम आदरणीय रेवरेंड फादर जोबी जोसेफ, रेवरेंड सिस्टर्स, सम्मानीय शिक्षकगण, ऑफिस स्टाफ और सभी को मेरा शत शत वंदन नमन। डिपॉल विद्यालय में कार्यरत एक शानदार सफर अब अपने अंत तक आ गया। मेरे जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण अध्याय समाप्त हो रहा है। जीवन का एक बिल्कुल नया अध्याय मेरा इंतजार कर रहा है। मैं इस अवसर पे सर्वप्रथम उस ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी जिन्होंने मुझे इतना जीवन दिया कि मैं आप सबके साथ इतने वर्ष रह सकी। साथ ही मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी इस विद्यालय जीवन में बहुत से लोग ऐसे थे जिन्होंने मेरे जीवन में इम्पोर्टेंस रोल निभाया। मैं उन्हें स्मरण किए बिना नहीं रह सकती। सर्वप्रथम अध्यापिका के रूप में चयन करने वाले रेवरेंड फादर जॉर्ज का धन्यवाद दूंगी। साथ ही रेवरेंड फादर मैथ्यू का, साथ ही रेवरेंड फादर सीवी कुरियन, रेवरेंड फादर मार्टिन, रेवरेंड फादर चार्ल्स, रेवरेंड फादर रॉय और वर्तमान प्रधानाचार्य जिनके मार्गदर्शन में मैं अपना ये पूरा सफर समाप्त कर रही हूँ। साथ ही मैं अपनी सिस्टर्स का भी धन्यवाद दूंगी जिन्होंने अपने बहुमूल्य योगदान के साथ, अपने मुस्कुराते चेहरों के साथ हमेशा हमारा साथ दिया। थकती नहीं जिंदगी कभी किसी के बिना, लेकिन ये गुजरती भी नहीं अपनों के बिना। विद्यालय परिवार के सम्मानित शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं का धन्यवाद दूंगी जिन्होंने मेरे सुख में, दुख में, परेशानी में, बीमारी में हर समय अपने दिलासा भरे शब्दों के द्वारा मेरे जीवन को एक संजीवनी बूटी अमर बनाने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी। सुंदर गीत जिसकी आज ये पंक्तियां थी, कह दो तो तारे भी हम तोड़ लाए। सच में इस स्टाफ में ऐसी ही स्थिति है। हम किसी टीचर से कह तो दें, वो तारे भी तोड़ लाने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। कहाँ ऐसा समय मिलेगा, कहाँ ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे। स्कूल में गुजरे वो पल, वो कॉपी चेकिंग का टेंशन, वो रिश्तों की आन बान बहुत याद आएगी। आज के इस आयोजन में जो सुंदर गीतों को गाया गया, सचमुच उसने हमारे हृदय को छू लिया। आप सभी के द्वारा दी गई शुभकामनाएं वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी एक दुआ के समान है। वो मेरे जीवन को अमर बनाने के समान है। मैं उसके लिए अपने शब्द नहीं कह सकती। साथ ही मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगी हमारे फादर का, पूरी टीम का, कि आखिरी बार मुझे ये मौका दिया कि मैं इस मंच पे, इस माइक पे खड़ी होकर आपके साथ अपने विचार प्रस्तुत कर सकूं। आज के इस आयोजन के लिए भी मैं हृदय से आप सभी का धन्यवाद दूंगी कि सहर्ष इतने ज्यादा व्यस्त रहने के बाद भी सभी लोग तैयार हैं। सबने अपना इतना अच्छा योगदान दिया, मैं किसी को नहीं भुला पाऊंगी। हर टीचर मेरे जीवन में एक विशेष स्थान रखते हैं। किसी से भी कभी कोई मन में ऐसा भाव नहीं, लेकिन हमेशा मैं उन्हें अपने इसमें स्मरण रखूंगी, अपनी दुआओं में स्मरण रखूंगी। अंत में अब क्या कहूँ, प्रज्वलित दीप आप खुद हैं, फिर हम उजाला और क्या दें, दे रही शुभकामना इसके अलावा और क्या दें। ईश से है प्रार्थना, संसार की हर खुशी आपको दे, कर दे सफल निरोग हर्षित चिरंजीवी आपको। धन्यवाद।
There is no sea without waves, and there is no life without problems. When we look at our life, we can see there are different stages, like dependent stage, independent stage, coupling stage, parenting stage, and retirement stage. That is this stage. Usually, a person passes through the emotional and intellectual stages from childhood to retirement age. In each of these stages, one faces many challenges in his or her life that enables the person to learn or build new skills. It is very important for a person to learn the skills proper in order to proceed smoothly in his or her career. He was one of them. He was a committed, devoted, dutiful, loyal, supportive, reliable, and caring person. Now, on behalf of James, I would like to thank everyone, especially the school management, all the principals under whom he has been worked, and Father Joby Joseph, for your love, gratitude, thoughtfulness, concern, affection, and what all things you have shown to him. I would also like to say best wishes and good luck to Joseph sir, Neerja ma'am, and Meenakshi ma'am too. This is the time of mixed feeling, both of happiness and sadness. Once again, on behalf of him, I thank each and everyone. Lastly, every person on the planet has a story. Don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Retirement marks the end of a familiar phase and welcomes you to a new and exciting life. May you find joy in your retirement. So, Meenakshi ma'am and Neerja ma'am are here. I request Father to hand over.
हम जब होंगे साथ साथ और सुनो भी बचपन की
but you'll always be in our memories. Even after you leave this institution, I wholeheartedly pray to Almighty God to bless you and your family with sound health and wealth. Dear teachers, have a healthy and a fine retirement. Thank you.
Reverend Father Yogi Joseph, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, first of all, good afternoon to all. Today, I am very happy to be here because I left my home place just with a small target of 2 years working outside Kerala. After that, I wanted to go back. But as Principal told, time has taken me to different places almost all over India, except Jammu Kashmir and northeastern states. Almost all the states I visited, and I could see and study the people and the landscape, farming, the way of life, social life, everything. And it is said that a person's life has 4 stages. 4 exit points are there. First one is said to be retirement. So we leave the job and we may be going to some other places or some other work also we will do. Second is that is around 60, at the age of 60, retirement, first exit point. After that, around 70, 75, then exiting from the friend circle, the number of friends will be decreased, very few friends we will have. Then around 80, 85, we see that is the exit, that is somewhat painful also for some people, that is present scenario, exit from the family. When the people become very old, they are ignored. That is what we are seeing now. Children just send the parents, very old people, to some old age homes or sometimes other places. That is another. Then last is around 90, impossible. That is the exit from this earth. So I take this as the first exit point. And one more thing, and from our studies, from my studies, I am well prepared to face all these teachers. That is the main strength of me. So thank you all for your kind support and cooperation. Because of your support and cooperation, I could complete this my teaching career. And I could be here on this retirement day. Thank you, sir, Father and teachers. Thank you.
To sincerely thank the 3 teachers. Nirjaman, she promised me that she will be here, and Meenakshi ma'am and Joseph sir. Thank you very much for your presence here, and we are going to feel the vacuum from tomorrow. Definitely, you have left a very big gap or creating a gap. We need to fill it. It's not very easy because you are such a talented, efficient, and hardworking, sincere teachers. So, thank you for being with us today for this small program. Also,
अगला हमारा चांस है रिटायरमेंट।